One of the most famous canned meat products in the world, Spam is renowned for its distinct flavor, extended shelf life, and ease of use. Since its creation, more than 8 billion cans of Spam have been sold globally, or 3 cans per second. But how is Spam manufactured and why is it so popular everywhere? Let's look at the step-by-step process of making Spam canned beef. Number 1. Sourcing and selection of high-quality beef. To start the process of making Spam canned beef, producers must acquire their meat from reliable suppliers who provide the correct beef quality. The shoulder, together with round cuts and other lean sections of the cow, comprise the beef ingredients that produce Spam canned meat. The preferred cuts of meat contain both lean portions and the right amounts of fat to create Spam's smooth texture and rich taste. The meat goes through multiple, thorough quality tests before starting the processing phase. Beef suppliers guarantee freshness by examining the inventory for diseases while also ensuring proper storage throughout shipping. The Spam processing facility conducts another food safety test on the received beef to evaluate its color as well as its texture and quality standards. The production system rejects every piece of meat that fails to pass the established requirements. The beef must meet regulations for approval before it gets placed in refrigerated, temperature-controlled facilities that maintain 0 temperatures under 40 degrees Fahrenheit or 4 degrees Celsius to avoid bacterial multiplication. Safe and high-quality production benefits from appropriate storage procedures applied to the meat before manufacturing begins. Number 2. Trimming and preparation of the beef. The beef preparation starts with trimming the meat because fat, gristle, and unwanted elements need to be removed. The specificity during preparation selects outstanding portions to achieve proper consistency in the canned meat while making Spam. Many food processing facilities use industrial grinders, along with expert staff, to prepare the desired cuts from the meat products. Wash the trimmed chunks of beef with clean cold water until all bone sections, blood, and surface contaminants are eliminated. The meat cutting process yields pieces of equal size for more efficient processing during the following production steps. 3. Grinding and blending the ingredients. At the grinding stage, the properly trimmed beef undergoes fragmentation into smaller pieces to establish a uniform and smooth consistency. Large machines with strong rotating blades at the industrial level transform beef into a fine paste through their processing function. These industrial machines perform high-speed operations, which efficiently reduce meat to a uniform format. Careful control of the grinding process prevents the beef from obtaining undesirable texture from excessive coarseness, while avoiding an undesirable structure and taste impact from excessive fineness. Ground beef receives essential components during the production process to establish the perfect taste, texture, and shelf life profile of the finished Spam canned beef. The mixture requires water addition to maintain proper moisture content, so workers can easily handle the substance while proceeding with further processing. The essential preservation quality in this mixture comes from sodium nitrate, which simultaneously protects the meat from dangerous bacteria while keeping its pink color intact, making Spam cans visually appealing for extended storage periods. The product has 2 main ingredient groups: proprietary spices and flavor enhancers. Core elements within a protected formula of spices augment the beefy, umami-rich flavor signatures. Operations move the correctly measured components to industrial high-speed mixers, where all substances blend thoroughly. Workers conduct repeat quality control examinations to ensure the blending procedure maintains the proper mixture of ingredients. This production step guarantees identical taste, texture, and quality for every Spam canned beef batch that passes through the manufacturing lines. 4. Filling the cans with the meat mixture. A precise amount of Spam beef mixture moves to automated machines during the canning phase after completing proper blending with other ingredients. Hundreds of thousands of cans pass through the can filling machines every hour as manufacturing requirements reach high levels. Each can receives tight meat packing through its filling process, which creates a standardized meat texture while stopping the materials from becoming spoiled. Machine operators work to precisely measure each can size for delivering the needed amount of meat throughout all products. The sealed can receives airtight metal lids after the vacuum sealing operation. Vacuum sealing represents an essential step in manufacturing because it extracts oxygen from the can, which blocks bacterial growth and ultimately increases product lifespan. 5. Cooking and sterilization. Retort cooking process. The cooking and sterilization steps present the major production step in Spam canned beef because they ensure complete meat cooking with safety for human consumption. The product lacks its signature extended shelf life and maintains its uniform taste and texture when cooking and sterilization are not implemented properly. Partial cans enter retort cooking, where steam pressure produces high temperatures that completely sterilize and cook their contents. Each sealed can of beef mixture gets transported to retorts, which serve as industrial pressure cookers during the manufacturing process. Large mechanical chambers known as retorts function as airtight, sealed products for resisting heavy heat and intense pressure ratings. Retort machines receive the cans in prearranged batches to provide equal heat to each item. The retort steams begin the cooking procedure while holding the cans within its chamber. The chamber receives steaming heat that intensifies temperature beyond 250 degrees Fahrenheit, 121 Celsius. Heat at this elevated level destroys dangerous microorganisms, especially Clostridium botulinum, that would otherwise turn into dangerous botulism-causing bacteria in canned foods. The elevated temperature duration in the retort machines spans from 75 to 90 minutes based on formulation type, along with can dimensions. After completion of the cooking phase, the cans need to experience rapid cooling, since heat still affects the can's structural components. The complete retort cooking phase serves to complete the sterilization of Spam canned beef, thus making it safe to store at room temperature for multiple years. The cans complete their cooking run alongside their cooling phase, thus becoming sterilized and fully cooked, so they are ready for their labeling and distribution stage. Through this process, food safety, quality assurance, and increased shelf life operate to enable the annual creation of millions of tin cans that deliver safe and uniform quality to consumers. 6. Cooling, labeling, and packaging. During the final stages of cooking, the containers need slow heat reduction procedures to sustain their integrity, as well as meat quality preservation. The cans face a significant challenge because they were recently sterilized at extremely hot temperatures, so any sharp temperature drop might generate thermal shock. The cooling process includes both cold water spraying of the cans or placing them inside specific cooling baths. A balanced cooling process brings uniform temperature decline to the canned products, while actively preventing sudden, drastic temperature changes. Advanced production facilities employ air cooling tunnels as cooling devices that transport cans through controlled temperature zones that reduce heat progressively. Handling of cans continues after they achieve proper thermal safety levels, at which point the production moves on to labeling and packaging operations. The cans achieve total sealing status before proceeding to branding operations. Modern machines perform automated labeling by applying exact labels through high-speed precision systems to achieve consistent and accurate outcomes. Every label contains vital product information, which makes the labels fundamentally important. The product brand is followed by detailed nutritional facts and ingredients declarations on the labels to help consumers stay informed about their purchases. Each canned food bears its date of production, together with its expiry time stamp displayed to help retailers and consumers handle product freshness correctly. Each can carries vital production information through its batch number, because that number enables quality controls and product tracking. After the successful completion of labeling operations, the cans proceed to the final packaging process. The product sets undergo packaging through strong cardboard boxes or shrink wrapping methods, followed by palletization for simple shipment. The designed boxes serve to maintain the can's security throughout shipping operations because they stop movement and guard against potential damage. 7. Quality control and distribution. The processed Spam canned beef goes through complete quality control assessments before consumers can purchase it to guarantee that all manufactured products match company requirements. The inspections play a key role in preserving consistency and food safety standards and delivering satisfied customers. The product verification process combines robotic systems with human checking methods to examine both the taste, quality, and texture appearance, as well as packaging tightness and package weight accuracy, before distributors receive approval. The essential quality control procedure entails choosing specific cans for review through random sampling to validate conformity with established requirements. Sealing integrity checks determine proper sealing and air tightness for each can. Weight measurements, along with content confirmation tests, verify that every Spam canned beef contains its properly labeled content. After passing all quality control inspections, the approved Spam canned beef gets transferred to storage facilities, where fresh preservation through temperature-regulated settings takes place. Spam products undergo meticulous packing before being delivered to supermarkets, grocery stores, and online retailers throughout the world, so consumers can obtain their high-quality, flavorful, safe product whenever they purchase a can of Spam. The Spam canned beef production process uses rigorous standardized methods that create a safe end product, maintain consistency, and extend its shelf life. The production process of Spam follows meticulous guidelines through beef procurement and subsequent grinding and mixing stages before cooking and packaging to satisfy consumer requirements. What other food manufacturing processes are you curious about? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the world around us. We'll see you in the next one.